Hello, I'm Nicholas Kominos, General Sales Manager and Head of Technical Department at Hexagon Europe. My background is chemical engineering and proactive maintenance. At Hexagon Europe, we know that our responsibility does not end when the product is delivered. It actually begins there.
Hello, my name is Vasilis Eftimiou. I'm the engineer responsible for the Hexagon Analysis Program, in which we provide systematic evaluations of lubricants, greases, and coolant fluids. We measure key indicators such as wear metals, contamination, oxidation, and varnish potential, providing precise and actionable insights. This is where chemical science meets mechanical expertise. We help our partners extend maintenance intervals, reduce cost, and maximize the reliability of their assets.
We stand by our customers with on-site technical support and proactive maintenance programs. The goal is to detect any issues at an early stage and then report back to the maintenance team corrective actions that will improve machine reliability.